Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we are going to see 8 designs in fancy and regular wear dress materials, price ranging from $799 to $1399. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com from 12 noon. You can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Orders placed today will be shipped on 24th October and tracking details will be shared to your mail ID and SMS on 25th October. Please order accordingly. Viewers, there will be slight variation in the color due to the lighting used for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference.
Start.
Let us see the first design. The fabric is silk cotton fabric in pure white. The beautiful work on the yoke. We have sugar bead work and stone work, also French knot work, highlighting the set in pure white in silk cotton fabric. We have restocked this design again. We have limited stocks, so please buy directly from our website from 12 noon today. The fabric is silk cotton, pure white with simple and elegant work on the yoke. Fabric is thin, so lining is needed. In the daman we have simple contrast piping. It is teamed with peachish pink silk cotton bottom and dupatta in organza fabric with embroidery work. The fabric of the dupatta is very lightweight and easy to carry. It's elegant dupatta with all over embroidery. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1349. We have 4 colors in this. The base color top remains the same. The bottom and the dupatta will vary. Totally we have 3 colors. This is the second shade. You can take a closer view of the work. We have cut bead, sugar bead and stone work. Turquoise green silk cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta in organza fabric. Priced at 1349, free shipping all over India. And this is the next set with maroon bottom in pure white silk cotton fabric, needs lining, reddish maroon. So this is silk cotton fabric and dupatta in organza with beautiful embroidery work. You can buy these products directly from our website neidhal.com today from 12 noon onwards. Let us see a beautiful set. It's a fancy silk material. It will be very silky, smooth and soft in texture, which has digital prints on it, and the prints are also highlighted with thread and foam mirror work. It is in lavender shade. It's sober lavender shade. A very soft and silky fabric. A new concept. New arrival for festive season, which has digital prints and thread work done on the front side of the top. We have matching sandtone bottom in lavender shade and beautiful digital printed dupatta in fancy silk, a very soft fabric. It's a kind of stole-like dupatta with digital prints, and we also have bead work done on the either side of the dupatta. This is how the complete set looks. We have 2 colors in this. The cost of the set is 1249, free shipping. Let us see the next color. The next color is in beautiful pastel peach shade. In the same fabric, fancy silk fabric. It's kind of smooth and silky fabric. Which has digital prints, and the prints are highlighted with thread work and foam mirror work. We have matching sandtone bottom in peach, a soft fabric, and dupatta in digital printed dupatta, which has colorful floral prints on it. It's a short width dupatta We also have bead work done on the either side of the dupatta. Beautiful concept, priced at 1249. Next we are going to see a designer set. The fabric is premium linen. Its color kind of sand brown, light sand brown, which has a mandarin collar. In the yoke part we have pearl bead work, cut bead and sequins as well, highlighted with gota lace work. All these are embroidery work with sequins. In the video it might appear too bright, but it is kind of light sand shade. It's kind of sand brown with all over embroidery on the front side, which has a collared neck with work on the yoke. It's a designer piece with gota lace tapings in the daman. The fabric is thin, lining is needed. It is a premium linen fabric, and bottom in silk cotton, which is a printed one, and dupatta in chiffon, the shibori printed dupatta with gota lace tapings on two sides. And this is the dupatta for this. Single color concept. The cost of the set is 1399. Next we are going to see fancy dress materials. The fabric is jam cotton, and this is the printed yoke part highlighted with foam mirror work. The color is kind of dark beetroot purple. In video it might appear too bright, so all these designs will be in darker shades. Some colors in the video might appear too bright due to the lighting, so please refer the picture posted in our website for reference. So this is the yoke part highlighted with foam mirror work. The color is dark beetroot purple, and this is the yoke patch, printed yoke patch. In the daman we have simple tapings. We have dark bright yellow cotton bottom, and dupatta is also in fancy silk cotton, which are digital printed one. Now digital printed ones are in trend now, and this is the dupatta, and tapings are provided on all four sides. The dupatta matches together of the yoke part in the top. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1049. We have four colors in this. We'll quickly take a look at the other color combinations. The design is going to be the same. And this is the next shade. It's a bottle green with brick red combination. So this is the yoke part. The fabric is jam cotton. It's not transparent, so lining is optional for the top, and little shine will be there in the fabric. We have cotton bottom in brick red, and dupatta is printed fancy silk cotton dupatta, priced at 1049, and we do free shipping all over India. Please subscribe our channel. Every day we post new collections. So this is the next shade. It's navy blue with maroon combination. It's kind of dark teal blue. It's not navy blue. It's kind of dark teal blue. Maroon cotton bottom and printed fancy silk cotton dupatta. Next with red with black combination. We have black cotton bottom and printed silk cotton dupatta, priced at 1049. Next we are going to see a beautiful festive wear set. The fabric is slub cotton fabric, and this is the brocade patch given on the yoke. We have also have potli buttons. The color is navy blue. It's dark navy blue. In the video it might appear too bright. It's dark navy blue in slub cotton fabric with brocade patch on the yoke. So this is the yoke part with potli buttons. In the daman we have simple tapings. It's in navy blue color. The fabric is thin, it needs lining. We have yellow silk cotton bottom and dupatta in silk cotton. We have Banarasi woven dupatta. It has traditional woven pattern, and this is how the dupatta looks. All these are thread woven borders. It's kind of shaded effect, and this is how the complete set looks. Beautiful festive wear set at affordable price. The cost of the set is 1149, free shipping. It's kind of orangish yellow. It's navy blue top with orangish yellow dupatta. Now I'll quickly take a look at other colors. The top base color navy blue remains the same. The yoke part, bottom and dupatta will vary. So this is the next color. It's navy blue with red combination, and again a beautiful combination. So this is the bottom and this is the Banarasi silk cotton dupatta. It's a thread woven dupatta. It's kind of reddish pink. It's navy blue with reddish pink combination. All these are new arrivals for Diwali. You can place your order directly from our website. So this is the next shade, navy blue with green combination. We have silk cotton bottom for this and beautiful Banarasi thread woven dupatta, priced at 1149. Next is a traditional combination, navy blue with pink, dark pink. The top fabric is slub cotton, bottom in silk cotton fabric. Dupatta is thread woven silk cotton Banarasi dupatta, priced at 1149. Next we are going to see a simple regular wear South handloom cotton dress material in grey shade, and this is the yoke patch with wooden buttons. So this is the top. We have contrast black patch in the daman, black cotton bottom teamed with printed mulk cotton dupatta. A very soft dupatta with beautiful prints on it, and tapings are provided on all four sides. And this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 799, free shipping. It's a single color. Next we have in fancy silk cotton fabric. It's kind of dark olive green color. This is dark olive green with floral prints. In the yoke we have simple shell and metal buttons. The fabric is kind of smooth and silky fabric with all over prints. So it's printed in the front as well as at the back. And simple yoke part with fancy buttons. It's dark olive green. In the daman we have simple contrast piping. It is teamed with dark fenugreek yellow cotton bottom and dual shaded chiffon dupatta, and this is the dupatta for this. Single color again. The cost of the set is 999, free shipping. Next we are going to see dress materials in pure cotton, which has patola prints in it. The color is kind of dark mossy green, and this is the yoke, which has sequins and zari work done on the yoke part. It's cotton dress material. The top is pure cotton with patola prints on it in dark mossy green. This is the work done on the yoke, highlighted with gota lace work. I'm sorry, it's only zari work. Zari and sequence work done on the yoke. In the daman we have gota lace work and a patch work done. It's printed, patola printed in the front as well as at the back as the same print. Teamed with soft pure cotton bottom in maroon and dupatta in fancy silk cotton dupatta. It is a plain dupatta, reddish maroon. In video it might appear too bright. And this is the dupatta for this. It's a plain silk cotton dupatta. It's kind of crushed cotton, a crushed silk cotton dupatta with golden lace tapings on both the sides, and tapings has to be done for the edges. It's just a fancy dupatta which has crinkled effect. The cost of the set is 1099. We have 4 different color combinations in this. The next color is maroon with turquoise green combination in cotton fabric, and soft thin cotton bottom in turquoise green, and dupatta in fancy silk cotton dupatta in turquoise green color. The cost of the set is 1099. The next is patola printed black with maroon combination. We have complete zari and sequence work on yoke, pure cotton bottom, and fancy silk cotton dupatta. The next color is navy blue with maroon combination, pure cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta for this. It's kind of crinkled fancy silk cotton dupatta, priced at 1099. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.